This picture illustrates the cowl area of the base of the windshield in the engine compartment. Remove the windshield engine compartment seal, as indicated by the green arrow, by pulling it away from the plastic cover it sits on. Pull the left side plastic filter screen straight up from its mounting position and remove it from the engine compartment. Pull the right side plastic filter screen straight up from its mounting position and remove it from the engine compartment. Lift up on the wiper arm cover from the motor side first and unclip it from the wiper arm. Remove the cover in the direction of the green arrow. Remove the 4 Phillips head fasteners, green arrows, that hold down the electronics cover and remove the cover, yellow arrow. Remove the Phillips head fasteners, green arrows, on the right side windshield cover. Lift the cover straight up and remove it from the cowl area. This picture illustrates the back of the engine compartment by the cowl area. Remove the engine compartment seal, green arrow. Pull the seal off starting on the right side, then continue to peel it off until it is removed. Working at the cowl, remove the 2 Phillips head fasteners, green arrows. Once the fasteners have been removed, lift the center cowl trim up to detach it from the body. The throttle cable, green arrow, will remain in the cowl trim piece. Just lay the piece aside, leaving the throttle cable attached. In this photo, one clip of the left side of the car, green arrow, is already unclipped, and the others, yellow arrows, are still holding the housing together. Loosen the 2 Phillips head screws, green arrows. The screws will stay in the cover when removing. Lift the cabin microfilter housing cover up to remove it. Remove the 2 Phillips head fasteners, green arrows, for the windshield wiper motor cover. Pull out the ambient air temperature sensor by pulling it to the left, green arrow, out of its mounting bracket. Lift the wiring harness for the ambient air temperature sensor from its groove in the cabin air filter housing, green arrows. Lift the left side of the windshield wiper motor cover out of the cowl area to detach it. Lift the right side of the windshield wiper motor cover out of the cowl area to detach it. Then remove the cover from the vehicle. Lift and remove the small windshield wiper cover insert out from underneath the windshield wiper motor. Using a 5mm Allen head socket with a ratchet, remove the windshield wiper arm fastener. Remove the windshield wiper arm by moving it in the direction of the blue arrow. Remove the 3 10mm fasteners, green arrows, that mount the windshield wiper motor assembly. This photo shows the fasteners under the wiper motor in the cowl. Remove the 2 8mm fasteners, green arrows, for the base windshield wiper motor mount. Pull the windshield wiper motor assembly out from the cowl area. Unplug the electrical connector for the windshield wiper relay in the right side of the cowl area. Route the windshield wiper motor harness from the relay through the opening in the windshield wiper motor lower cover. Installation is the reverse of the removal steps. Route the wiring harness for the windshield wiper motor through the opening in the lower cover and plug it into the relay. Position the windshield wiper arm in the cowl area and mount the 3 fasteners. Fit and mount the 2 fasteners for the windshield wiper lower mount and tighten them down. Install the windshield wiper arm onto the windshield wiper motor assembly. Tighten down the fasteners and fit the cover by sliding in the arm side in first and push down on the back of the cover. Install the windshield wiper motor small insert under the windshield wiper motor assembly. Fit both and left and right sides of the windshield wiper motor cover in place below the windshield wiper motor assembly. Route the wiring harness for the ambient air temperature sensor in the cabin air filter lower housing and seat the ambient air temperature sensor in its bracket. Tighten down the 2 fasteners on the left side of the windshield wiper motor cover. Install and tighten down the cabin air filter cover fasteners and snap the 3 clips into place. Fit the cowl insert and tighten down the 2 screws. Fit the engine compartment seal as well as the right and left side of the windshield covers with mounting screws. Install the right side electronics cover and tighten down the fasteners. Snap the left and right side filter screens onto each side of the windshield. Wiper motor assembly and install the seal between the windshield and the engine compartment. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.